How to avoid common scams on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can avoid common scams on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you use Cash App and then you want to avoid some common scams, then it's actually quite very simple. First of all, verify the recipient information. Before sending money, double check the recipient name, phone number, email, and their cash tag. You can also check the profile to confirm they are the correct person. Only send to the people you know, and also just make sure to send money to only people you know or to verified Cash App accounts. Third, don't send money to people with promises. So if you send money to someone who promises something in the future, or to a love interest you haven't met in person, you also want to be wary of fake support. Scammers may pretend to be Cash App support to gain access to your device and steal personal information. Cash App doesn't have a direct customer service line, so that's the thing you want to remember. And also be careful of fake receipts. Scammers may send a fake receipt as proof they accidentally sent money to your account and ask you to return it. And also don't share personal information like logins or photos with anyone. You can also be wary of fake refunds. If you sell items online, scammers may try to swindle you out of your money with fake refunds. And be wary of fake security alerts. Scammers may send fake emails with security alerts that encourage you to visit a malicious site and enter your login credentials. So these are some of the common ways you can avoid scams on Cash App. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.